Gurubhyo Namaha. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an evening of praise, rhythm and storytelling. Welcome to the third annual recital of Mudra School of Dance. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance form with a deep culture and historical roots in southern India. It is characterized by its intricate movements, expressive storytelling, and a fusion of music, rhythm, and mythology. It is believed to have evolved from the ancient dance form performed by temple dancers, known as Devadasis, who used the art form to depict religious stories and express devotion to deities. The word Bharatanatyam is thought to have derived from three main components. Ba is for Bhavam, representing the emotional aspect of dance expressed by wide range of emotion through facial expression and gesture and body movements. Ra is for Ragam, which refers to the melodic aspect. Bharatanatyam is often performed to classical Carnatic music, which is based on specific melodic scales or ragas. The choice of raga can greatly influence the mood and expression of the performance. Ta is for Talam, which represents the rhythm. Bharatanatyam is known for its complex rhythmic patterns and dancers uses their feet and body movements to integrate rhythms in a coordination with the music. Bharatanatyam is deeply rooted in Hindu mythology and often portrays stories from ancient epics and texts. Through their performance, the dancers narrate and bring to life these mythological tales, showcasing both their artistic skills and their devotion. As we have delved into the capitative world of Bharatanatyam, it is essential to recognize the institution that carried forward this art form's legacy. Mudra School of Dance, founded by Srimati Harsha Hari in 2018 in Franklin, Tennessee, is one such institution. Srimati Harsha Hari's journey is marked by a pursuit of knowledge and dedication to the art form. With a master's degree in fine arts in Bharatanatyam from the prestigious Tamil University in India, she embodies the spirit of a true artist and a scholar. She is remarkable artist with over 2 decades of experience gracing national and international stages with her performance in Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam and Kuchipudi. What truly set Mudra School of Dance apart is not just its commitment to a classical dance but also its deep-rooted desire to give back to the community. At Mudra School of Dance, the belief is that it's never too late to embrace the beauty of an art form. Our dedication goes beyond just training the younger generation. We also extend our expertise to adult students, nurturing their talents to a level where they can confidently grace the stage and turn their dreams into reality. We fervently encourage students, young and old, to take up Bharatanatyam as it immerses them in Indian culture and heritage, fosters an appreciation of music, nurtures creativity, and contributes to physical fitness. In doing so, we not only preserve a timeless tradition but also champion the holistic development of individuals. As we celebrate our 5 years of existence, we look forward to witnessing the continued growth and impact of this institution where tradition meets passion and where dreams are nurtured into reality. We begin today's program by lighting a lamp to invoke the blessing of deities who preside over the realms of dance, knowledge, and the removal of obstacles. Let us offer our prayer and gratitude to Lord Nataraja, the celestial embodiment of dance, whose divine rhythm resonates through our souls. Goddess Saraswati, the patroness of knowledge, arts, and wisdom, whose blessing empower us to learn, create, and excel. And Lord Ganesha, the beloved removal of all obstacles, who paves the way for our endeavors to flourish without hindrance. I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed Guru Srimati Asha Hari, accompanied by our mentor of Sukinta Raja Loganathan, and their son Vihan along with all students of Mudra School of Dance. As we light this lamp, let it ignite our spirits and set stage ablaze with the magic of dance, knowledge and creativity. May this ceremony mark the beginning of a spectacular performance filled with grace, emotion and artistry. We, the proud members of Mudra School of Dance, are thrilled to present you the culmination of our hard work and dedication. These performances are not just dances, they are heartfelt expression of our devotion to the gods and our deep-seated gratitude for making this day possible. For our students, today marks a significant milestone, a step towards a life enrichment by an appreciation of the arts. Please enjoy the show. Performance with a sacred and invigorating piece known as Pushpanjali. The term Pushpanjali derives its essence from two beautiful words, Pushpam, signifying flowers, and Anjali, representing folded hands in reverence and devotion. In this piece, music is the prayer and the dance is the worship. Pushpanjali holds a special place as the opening piece of a recital as it serves as a salutation to the divine and invocation of blessings from the Gurus and a warm welcome to the esteemed audience. In Pushpanjali, you will witness the essence of Nritta, the rhythmic and abstract aspect of dance. It is joyful offering of flowers presented to the Supreme with the utmost devotion and surrender. This piece not only pays homage to the gods but also sets the mood for the entire recital. Set to Ragam Gambhira Nattai and Talam Adi, This piece is choreographed by Srimati Harsha Ari and performed on stage by Sahasra Kota and Sri Priyamana.
झण्णकिट्टतां तद्धितां तद्धितां तज्जनकिटतगतां झणकिटतां झणकिटतग झण्णकिट्टतां तद्धितां तद्धितां तज्जनकिटतगतां झणकिटतां झणकिटतग झण्णकिट्टतां तद्धितां तद्धितां तज्जनकिटतगतां झणकिटतां
Namaskaram to Goddess Saraswati, the divine source of knowledge, creativity and wisdom. We bow to you, the grantor of form, to all our wishes and the embodiment of learning and art. As we embark on this new journey of acquiring knowledge, we seek your blessings and guidance. May your grace help us retain and cherish the wisdom we gain, allowing it to stay with us forever. Saraswati Devi, we offer our humble prayers and gratitude to you. Saraswati Namastopyam, set to Ragam Saraswati, is choreographed by Srimati Harsha Hari and performed on stage by Gauri Partake and Rashmi Kata.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
Next performance is the Allarippu, created by the illustrious Tanjavur quartet in 19th century at the Tanjavur Royal Court. It holds a special place in the hearts of dancers and rasikas. The very name Allarippu invokes the imaginary of a blossoming flower, symbolizing the gradual unfolding of beauty and grace in the dance. As one of the earliest piece taught to a Bharatanatyam student, it serves as a cornerstone in the Guru Sishya Paramyam, impacting the fundamental principle of rhythm and movement. What sets the Allarippu apart is its unique composition, devoid of lyrics or a song. Instead, it relies solely on Tulukattu, which are vocalized utterance that intricately weaves together to form a rhythmic and musical structure, creating a mesmerizing experience for both the performer and the rasikas. Another distinguished feature of Allarippu is the subtlety in movement and the tranquility in expression. Presenting Trisha Allarippu in Ragam Natai, Talam Rupakam, being performed on stage by Aganya Nagareddy and Anupriya Gopakumar. is Krishna Shabdam. Shabdam is a prominent segment within Bharatanatyam, marking the introduction of Abhinaya into the dance repertoire. Typically, the accompanying song, referred to as Sahityam, is divided into distinct stanzas. Between these stanzas, the performance including straightforward chorway or nilta steps. These stanzas can either portray separately narratives or be interwoven into unified storylines. Nevertheless, the overarching essence of Shabdam remains centered on a singular character or a theme. Krishna, you arrived at the scene precisely as the lotus-eyed girls were bathing. You took their saris and ascended the tree to observe their distress. Is this just? You break the pots of butter and eat it all. Is this right? You, the worthy husband of great goddess Mahalakshmi, play pranks and harass the coward girls in the village. Does this divinity suit you? You mischievous one, hail to you, O Lord Padmanabha. Sarasachashalu is set to Ragamalika and Talam Mishra Chapu, composed by Vadivelu, the youngest of the Tanjavur quartet, and choreographed by Srimati Gauri Amma. The piece is presented on stage by Ramya Suradevaraya and Suvenya Shivraj.
Thank you. ಕೂಡಿದಿವಿ श्री पद्मनाभ नमोस्तुते गणाङ्गुतों तकतरिकिटतों तत्सिन्नं तकुतरिकिटतक तकसिन्नं तकुतरिकिटतक तकतरिकिटतों 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 तत्तय्याते तत्तथा.
Dhyana Shlokam is a shlokam dedicated to Lord Shiva, particularly in this form as Lord Nataraja, the Lord of Dance. He whose body is the universe, whose speech is the source of all languages, whose ornament is the moon and the stars. We worship you, O pure and auspicious Lord Shiva. Dhyana Shlokam acknowledges the divine attributes and cosmic significance of Lord Shiva's dance, speech and ornament while also expressing devotion and worship towards the pure and auspicious form of Shiva. It is often recited at the beginning of the dance performance in the classical Indian dance tradition of Bharatanatyam to invoke the blessings and the guidance of Lord Shiva. This slokam, set to Ragam Revati, is choreographed by Srimati Harsha Ari and presented on the stage by new batch of students at Mudra School of Dance, Akshada Savoji, Diya Satish, Sahana Santosh, Saranya Sarkar, Sindhuja Janardhanan, Tavasya Lingareddy and Yani Sen.
आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् चन्द्रतारादि नमः सात्विकं शिवं तं नमः सात्विकं शिवं तं नमः सात्विकं शिवम्.
Of to Sri Rama in form of Padam, combining the Sri Raghavendra Shlokam and the popular bhajan Sri Rama Chandra Kripalu Bhajamma composed by Sri Tulasidas. In Bharatanatyam, a Padam is a quintessential dance composition that seamlessly blends storytelling and abhinaya. These pieces are characterized by their graceful and deliberate movements, allowing the dancer to convey intricate narratives often centered around themes of love, devotion or mythology. In this padam, we offer our pranamam to Lord Rush, Sri Rama, the son of Dasharatha, the infinity. O mind of mine, pray to the compassionate Rama, who removes all our fears. His brilliant beauty surpasses that of the handsome Manmada. Sri Rama, who is adorned with a glittering crown on his head, the best of Raghuvamsa, the one who destroyed the lineage of Asuras. Presenting Sri Rama Padam set to Ragam Yamakalyani and Thalam Mishra Chapu, choreographed by Srimati Harsha Ari and presented on stage by Navya Gauru and Purnima Gopakumar.
दशरथात्मज अप्रमेयम् सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वय रत्नदीपम् अजानुबाहुं अरविन्द दलायताक्षम् रामम् निशाचर विनाशकरम् नमामि 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 श्रीराम 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 श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजु मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् 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 नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुख करकञ्जपद कञ्जारुणम् नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुख करकञ्जपद कञ्जारुणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजु मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीराम 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 कंदर्पय गणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरज सुंदरम कंदर्पय गणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरज सुंदरम पटपीतमानहु तडित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम पटपीतमानहु तडित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम श्रीराम 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 भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्यवंश निकन्दनम् भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्य वंश निकन्दनम् रघुनन्द आनन्द कंद कोशलचन्द दशरथनन्दनम् रघुनन्द आनन्द कंद कोशलचन्द दशरथनन्दनम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजो मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीराम 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 सिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषणं सिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषणं आजानुभुज सरचापधर संग्रामजित हरदूषणम् आजानुभुज सरचापधर संग्रामजित हरदूषणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजु मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीराम 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 इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर शेषमुनि मनरञ्जनम् इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर शेषमुनि मनरञ्जनम् मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कुरु कामादिखलदलमञ्जनम् मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कुरु कामादिखलदलमञ्जनम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजु मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुख कर कञ्ज पद कञ्जारुणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजु मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीराम 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 श्रीराम
Pancharatnam is a Sanskrit composition consisting of 5 verses or stanzas dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the removal of obstacles and the god of wisdom. The word Pancharatnam means 5 gems or 5 jewels, indicating the 5 stanza of this composition. Composed by the ancient Indian philosopher and theologian Adi Shankaracharya, the Ganesh Pancharatnam beautifully describes Ganesha. In this composition, Lord Ganesha's form is praised, including his radiant tusk, curved trunk, and large ears. It pays homage to Ganesha as the embodiment of wisdom and as the one who removes ignorance and grants knowledge. It describes Ganesha's ability to destroy obstacles and protect devotees from harm and praises Ganesha as the source of happiness and the one who grants moksha. Finally, it seeks Ganesha's blessing and expresses a longing to be in his presence. Ganesha Pancharatnam is set to Ragam Ragamalika and Talam Chaturshana Ekam, is choreographed by Srimati Harsha Hari and performed on stage by Adia Dhoni, Aganya Nagareddy, Akshara Sarkar, Anudriya Gopakumar and Sarasra Rajkonda.
करात् मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिदायकं कलाधरामतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदेवदैत्यगं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामिदं विनायकं मुदाकरात् मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिदायकं कलाधरामतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदेवदैत्यगं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामिदं विनायकं सा निगरिजनी निरिजनि प सानि पगरे रिगपनि निगरि निरि बनि बग बग सदिग रिग बनि बनि रिग बगरि सानि बनि दिगारि सनि गरि जनि रे सनि ब रिजनि ब सदि ग प सानि पग मुदाकरात् मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिदायकं कलाधरामतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् नतेतरादिभीकरं नमोतिदार्कभास्वरं नमत्सुरादिनिर्जरं नतातिकाबदुग्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरं नतेतरादिभीकरं नमोतिदार्कभास्वरं नमत्सुरादिनिर्जरं नतातिकाबदुग्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरं सारि दसरि मरे मरे मद मद मारि सदस रिस सादा प म प द प सरि म प द प म प द रि स द द स रि म म रि सा स द प म प रि म प द प म म रि म प द म रि सा च म रि स द रि सा द प रि स द प स रि म प स द प म द रि तरादिभीकरं नमोतिदार्कभास्वरं नमत्सुरादिनिर्जरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं धरेधरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं नमस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्करं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं धरेधरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं नमस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्वरं निगारि स निगरि स निरि निद मणिरम गरि सनि सगमद गमदनि गनि सग मगरि स निरि निगरि निरम गरि सनि सग निरम गमद सगम गरि सानि द मनि द गारि सानि गरि स निरि सनि द पे सनि द सगमद सानि द पिञ्चनादिमार्जनं चिरन्तमुक्तिभाजनं पुरारि पूर्वनन्दनं सुरारि गर्वचर्वणं नितान्त कान्ति मन्दकान्तकात्मजं चिन्त्यरूपमल्पकीन मन्दराय कुन्दन हृदन्दरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनं त्वमेकदन्तमेकमेव चिन्तयामि सन्ददं निरान्तकान्तदन्तकान्ति मन्दकान्तकात्मजं चिन्त्यरूपमल्पकीन मन्दराय कुन्दन हृदन्दरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनं त्वमेकदन्तमेकमेव चिन्तयामि सन्ददं रीनि पनि माप रेम रेप मनि सानि पम रेज रेम पनि सरि सरि मरि सनि निरि सनि पम पचनि पम रि पम रि ज मरि पम नि प सानि रि मरि तानि मरि सनि रे प रि सनि प रे म प सरि म प निरान्तकान्तदन्तकान्ति मन्दकान्तकात्मजं चिन्त्यरूपमल्पकीन मन्दराय कृन्दन हृदन्दरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनं त्वमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ददम् नमामि तं विनायको नमामि तं विनायको
Is in praise of Lord Krishna, the enchanting one, the one with a divine and capitative presence, the one who protects the universe. With one foot you measure the entire earth, and with another you measure the heavens. The next step you place is on the head of King Mahabali. How can one comprehend this divine spectacle? Regardlessly of how much one praises you, Lord Indra and the other deities remain unsatisfied. You who bear Mount Mandara and are revered by Purandar Vittala, how can I fathom such divine dramas orchestrated by you? Jagan Mohana Krishna is composed by Saint Purandara set to Ragam Veda and Adi Talam. This dance is choreographed by Srimati Harsha Ari and performed on stage by Soumya Kundu and Srivani Anasingaraju. Tilana. Tilana is a vibrant and rhythmic dance composition typically performed towards the end of the dance recital. Tilanas are characterized by their lively and a brisk tempo, making them a culmination of the performance energy. They are primarily focused on nritta aspect, emphasizing intricate footwork, complex rhythmic pattern, and graceful movements. Today, Tilana in praise of Mahishasuramardani is set to Ragam Valchi in Adi Talam. It is choreographed by Srimati Asha Hari and performed on stage by Ramya Surya Devara and Suganya Shivraj. Mangalam. May the blessings of the divine accompany us on our journey, and may the harmony and the beauty of the arts continue to enrich our lives. With heart filled with gratitude, we honor the performers for their dedication and skill, the audience for their support and appreciation, and the divine for the inspiration and guidance throughout the artistic journey. Thank you.
ಪವಮಾನ ಸುದುಡು ಬಡು ಪದ ಎಂದ ಮುಲಗು ನೀರಾಮ ರೂಪ ಮುಲಗು ಇಕೆ ಮಂಗಳೋ ಸಜೀವ ನಯನ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಸಜಾದೆ ವಿನುತಮಯನ ನೀರಾಮ ರೂಪ ಮುಲಗು ಇಕೆ ಮಂಗಳೋ ಮಂಗಳೋ ಮಂಗಳೋ
Studying 3rd grade in a Creekside Elementary School. Next is Adanya Nagareddy, 10 years old, studies 5th grade in Trinity Elementary School. Next we have Akshada Savoji, 11 years old, studies 6th grade at Page Middle School. Next, Akshara Sarkar, 10 years old, studies 5th grade at Trinity Elementary School. Next we have Anupriya Gopakumar, 10 years old, 5th grader. Next we have Diya Satish, 6 years old and studies 1st grade Creekside Elementary. Next, Sahana Santosh is 5 years old, kindergarten in Stewart Creek Elementary School. Next, Sarasra Kota, 7 years old, studies 2nd grade in Trinity Elementary. Next we have Sarasra Rajakonda, a 9 years old, studies 4th grade in Trinity Elementary. Next we have Saranya Sarkar, 6 years old, studies 1st grade Trinity Elementary. Next we have Sindhuja Dhanardhanan, 10 years old, studies 5th grade Freedom Intermediate School. Next we have Sripriya Manam, 9 years old, studies 3rd grade at Trinity Elementary. Next we have Yanni Singh, 5 years old, kindergarten at Clovercroft Elementary. Next we have Tavasya Lingareddy, 7 years old, second grader, Johnson Elementary School. Next, let's go with an adult student, Gauri Bhattake, and behavior therapist by professional. Next, we have Navya Tolu, and research architect at CVS Healthcare. Next, we have Purnima Gopakumar, and QA analyst by professional. Next, we have Ramya Suri Devra, interventional cardiologist by professional. Next, we have Rashmi Tata, an IT professional. Next, we have Soumya Kunnu, an IT Salesforce developer. Next, we have Srivani Anasingaraju, and QA analyst. And we have Suganya Shivraj, an entrepreneur who is a working partner with Suvi Cloud Kitchen. Next, I would like to invite Srimati Asha.
Deliver the vote of thanks for the event today. First of all, I would like to start by thanking the God Almighty for giving me this beautiful bunch of students. Amazing dancer. This today was really a testament for the dedication and hard work and effort that they put in. We have been preparing from the past, I think 5 to 6 months, and you know the way they performed here today was just amazing. Thank you everybody. These small kids that we have here, they started with me I think in April or maybe even after. They picked up the dance in like 2 classes and they mastered it so well, and they did such an amazing job today. Their excitement, their energy was just amazing. Good job guys, all of you, very good job. The older kids, they've been with me for a couple of years now. If you see their performance in the last recital and if you see their performance now, they have come such a long way. Their confidence has increased so much. What is even stage fright? You know, nobody has stage fright. They make a small mistake, they just ignore and they just go on. Amazing job guys, very good job. And my adult students here, all of them are just superwomen. All of them, most of them have full-time jobs, most of them are moms. Not one of them has missed a single class, not one of them has come to class saying, I have had a long day, I cannot dance. All of them 100% each and every time. And you know, some of them like Soumya here, she is in Atlanta now. She's taking online classes. She drove from Atlanta, I mean with her husband. She drove from Atlanta just to get that 1 hour practice session with her dancing mate. And then she drove back. Like, what is this dedication? I don't know. Ramya is not feeling well. Still, she did such a good job today here. Ramya sometimes comes directly from the hospital, sometimes in her scrubs, but still she comes to class, gives her 100%. And not just, you know, all of them have full-time jobs and they have done such a great job today. Thank you so much everybody for all your dedication. It's an honor for me. It's an honor for me that I am their dance teacher. If somebody had told me 10 years back that I would be a dance teacher, I would not have believed them. But then today I'm really thankful to God Almighty for this wonderful bunch of dancers that I have got who share my same passion of dance. Amazing job, guys. Thank you so much. And again, when I say thank you to them, I mean thank you to all the parents, all the husbands, all of you who bring them to class, sit in the class outside, waiting for them to finish. Parents giving their students a little bit of a nudge to get that practice in. All of you, thank you so much. Again, husbands taking care of the kids when the wives are at dance class. Amazing job, everybody. It really takes a village, and I am thankful to each and every one of you for all your support. A small thank you I would like to somehow slide in for my husband and my son. They like my pillar of strength, my support system. Thank you so much, Suki. Thank you so much, Vihan, for keeping everything sane. Thank you so much. And who else is there to thank? And yeah, one thing today is Sri Priya's birthday. So everybody, one huge round of say thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I think that is all. Again, my audience, thank you so much for being here, taking time out of your hectic schedule, coming here, encouraging the dancers, supporting them. Thank you so much. Your presence means a lot to us. I hope you all had a very good time today. We had a great time performing for you, and I hope you all enjoyed as well. One big thanks to Geeta. She was our anchor for the evening. We kind of threw this task at her at the last moment, but she did such an amazing job. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, all right. I will see you all at the next recital. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a good night. Bye.
Just like to thank Harsha for giving us all this opportunity and having patience with us and teaching us such a good dance. I hope you all had a good time and thank you for coming. Thank you so much, Harsha, from all of us.